Alex, ride it. Rocky, rocky. Say giddy up.
Yeah.
Say yeehaw.
Yeah.
Say mama.
Mama.
Daddy. Say daddy.
Dada.
Sissy.
Dada.
Kitty. You say kitty? She's not there anymore. Can you say kitty? Hey. Say kitty kitty.
Yeah.
Say hot.
Ah.
Caliente. Can you say love you?
Dada.
Thank you. Thank you. Hey. Thank you. We just got the horsey the other day. It used to be Brooklyn's. Now Alex is learning how to ride it. Yeah. Can you press the ear? Press it. Catch it. Get it. You want me to do it? Hey, how old are you? 1. Hey, Mommy's gonna count to 5. 1, 2. You love Mommy? Say hi.
Bye.
Everybody. Say everybody. Say hi everybody. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Hey. Say bye-bye.